How to save filters on TikTok. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to go on TikTok app on your mobile. As you go on TikTok app on your mobile, then you have to go on the plus option that is located down below and click on that. And after clicking on plus icon, you have to go on the FX option that is on the left side. Click on that, and over here you will be able to see some trending or latest or other trend that you want to see. Now by selecting the trend that you want to see, you have an option of bookmark over here. Now click on bookmark option, and then you have to go on bookmark. Then this will be already saved over here. This will be always over here. You can use it anytime you want. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.